Alright, what's going on, guys? On the chart here, I have a setup I took earlier from today. This setup here was following a very low probable, sloppy uh, opening. And it's been like this basically for the entire week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and now Thursday. It's all just been back and forth. We're basically just in like one big consolidation. And it's hard to get a read on price. And this is basically the point of the video. This is the reality of trading. Like, there's going to be points in time like this. It's not always going to be clean, cookie cutter clean. And just because you have a legit strategy doesn't mean the market's going to give it to you. It doesn't work 100% of the time. You're not going to be right 100% of the time. All this stuff ties into trading. It's not just all green profits and glory. The reality of trading is, there's tough times like this where you got to be disciplined and you have to do nothing, because in trading, a part of good trading is doing nothing sometimes. And if you want to be a good trader, you definitely got to learn to do that. But anyways, this morning I took a setup after the 8:30 opening, and towards the 9:30 opening I got stopped out in profit. So that technically isn't a loss because I got stopped out in profit. It was like $80 or something like that. But following that, I placed another trade. In hindsight, I shouldn't have placed it. I should have just stayed out. But I know my risk management is good enough for me to be confident that I'm not going to have too much of drawdown. I was only risking 1%. It was like a $300 loss, somewhere around there. Not too big of a deal. So after that, I was like, all right, I got to stay out. I just closed my laptop for a little bit and came back at around 10 o'clock, was monitoring. I was just looking for a nice, small, quick in and out setup, which the market doesn't have to give it to me. I mean, it's not guaranteed, but nonetheless, I did found a nice, small continuation setup. I just wanted to get in and out. I just wanted to place my trade, take my profit, get out, run with it, and close the charts. And that's what I did. And it ended up being a good morning in low probable consolidation, choppy conditions. So if you are going to trade in these conditions, you want to make sure your profit objectives are not too high. Like, keep them low. Just go for small setups until we are out of this consolidation range. So yeah, that's the reality of trading. I mean, it's a lot more than just technical analysis or whatever you want to call it. I mean, it's tough. You gotta be prepared for times like these and be disciplined, and do not push it, and do not think that you always have to be doing something, because that's going to be your downfall. So yeah. Approaching my take profit here on this trade. Once again, pretty good risk management. Took me a while to learn proper risk management, so I'm glad to be where I'm at now with that. So as you can see, there we go. There's the take profit, and I think it was about 8 handles. So yeah, just real quick in and out setup. That gave me back my $300 loss and double that. So I ended up with actual a pretty good profitable day in a uncertain time. So that'll be the end of this video. Good luck, good trading.